beauties, Andrea. As some of you guys already know, I recently had a haircut, a full-on haircut. I cut about 3.5 inches off from right under my belly button to right under my breast. That's pretty short for me. Now that I have short hair, I do my curly hair routine a little bit different. The combination of the products that I use is a little bit different. The way I apply my products and everything like that. The reason is, you know, when you cut your hair, especially curly hair, it gets shorter because less weight, less length, it gets shorter. You get, of course, a lot of shrinkage. So yes, this is another flat hair tutorial. I know a lot of you guys in school like that. It's not usually my preference, it's not what I go towards when my hair is longer, but when my hair is short like this, that's what I go towards, the flatter routine. All right, so I'm gonna do a little 360 so you can see what I mean. All right, so this is all my hair to the front, all of it. So of course it might look a little bigger, but let me put everything to the back. 360. Yeah, 100% dry. These are the results. Another thing, I do not know if this will work on your hair if you have wavy hair or if you have 3A hair type. And if your hair doesn't curl much as definition, I don't know if I would recommend this, but if you want to try it out, let me know how it works down below. So let's get it started again. So my hair is washed and detangled, as you can see. Of course, first thing I'm going to do is divide my hair using a comb. I'm going to use the back of this thin tooth comb, as I call it. And of course, I recommend dividing your hair if you want the flattest hair possible. Dividing your hair creates less volume. Alright, so it's already divided in two. These are the trios that I'm going to use. First, the Hairfinity Leave-In Conditioner, the best, amazing leave-in conditioner. It's very, very light. I have the DNA My Hair Butter. This is amazing, the best cream ever. And I have my favorite mousse, the only mousse I ever loved in my life, by Moroccan Oil. And if your hair is getting dry, wet it, because of course my hair gets dry really, really fast with no product, really, really fast, you can see. So make sure your hair is wet. Alright, starting with this leave-in conditioner. Why? Because this is very, very thin and very, very easy to mix in with whatever product is about to come out next. It makes my hair really, really soft and moisturizes my hair very, very well. I'm going to be raking it through all of my hair, divided in two, and now this is when it gets specific. I'm using the My DNA butter. This is like glue, literally. It's like a light glue. It clumps your hair to make the least amount of frizz as possible. I rake it through and then I flatten it with my hands. After I make sure it's all over every single strand, I flatten my hair. And the mousse, I rake it through just a little bit and then I flatten it again. Just flatten everything over again. And this mousse is very good for definition. These should be the results before it dries. Alright, let's do this all over. Rake through the cream, the glue as I call it, and then flatten it. Add in the mousse, raking it through, and then flatten that as well. The good thing about this mousse, the white stuff that you see, does not stain your hair. Your hair absorbs it very, very well, so don't worry about it. So of course, like you see, do not touch that, okay? So of course, you can also shake it a little bit if you want to. Let's move on to my bangs. Did the rest of my hair, as you can see. For the bangs, make sure it's wet. Do the same exact thing. Rake, flat, rake, flat. Alright, of course, my bangs, like always, in every single time, anything I do, I want to define the front. But I still do not scrunch. No scrunching, alright? Alright, so now I'm applying one of the three products that I apply to my hair at the top so you can get rid of the flyaways right at the very top, as you can see. Bye-bye, flyaways. And before I go, I'm going to use my HSI Professional Thermal Spray. This is supposed to protect me from, of course, heat during the spring and summer. And it has the finest spray mist ever. You're going to love it. You don't even need to touch your hair to spread this around, okay? It's amazing. Argan oil, the best smelling oil in the world. Check it out down below. All right, let's move on to my hair 100% dry. Look at the definition. I know. This is beautiful. As far as the definition, I really like it. Of course, a little flat for me, like I said. I usually go for a little bit more volume, but it works for people who want a flatter look. And when I want flatter looks, it works perfectly. You get the definition without getting too much shrinkage, as you can see right there. And you also don't get that much volume, which is what the whole tutorial is about. As you can see, it's flat. It's dead. Yeah, it's what it was intended to be. And going back to my previous one that I did right here. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and bye. Hey, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And since that's not enough, don't forget to click the bell so you'll get notified of my videos. Thank you guys.